Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I am going to show you how to link your favorite music player service to your Google Map. So let's start. First open the Google Map on your phone. Now tap on your profile icon on top right corner and go to Settings. Now if you scroll down, you'll see the navigation settings. Tap on that. Here you will see that Show Media Playback Controls is disabled by default. You have to enable that. Remember, you can use any media player you want. All you have to do is, before enabling the media playback controls, you have to download a media player on your phone if you don't have one. Google Play Music is a default media player app on every Android devices. So I have that on my phone. Now enable media playback controls. And the app will search for media players on your phone. And here you can see I have only Google Play Music on my phone and it's already selected. Now tap Next. Now tap OK. Now go back to the home screen of the Google Map app. And tap on the blue Go button. I'll choose a random location. Now to start navigating or start your journey, tap Start button on bottom left corner. And on the right hand side, you'll see a button with the Google Play Music logo. Now tap on that and the Google Play Music media player will automatically open at the bottom of the screen. Now if you tap on the play button, the media will start playing. Beware, if you're driving or walking on the road as a pedestrian, then keep track of your surroundings. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.